Hello, my name is Rahul Khartode. My video topic is different types of sorting. There are generally 5 types of sorting used in Java. First is the bubble sort, second is the selection sort, third is the insertion sort, fourth is the quick sort, and fifth is the merge sort. Uh, Firstly, I am telling about sorting. The sorting is used to sort the element in the order. Order can be ascending or descending. When we want to arrange all the elements in the ascending order, then we can use the sorting technique. The first technique, that is bubble sort technique. If we create the array, that is it contain the element that all are integer. For example, int array a, curly bracket, we write 4 2 5 1. These 4 elements we write in the array, and then we want to sort it. Then we have to compare that element first. That means the index of 0 is firstly compared with index 1. When this comparison is done, that means when the first element is greater than the second element, then the swapping between both both elements are done, and that 4 element and 2 element get swapped. That means index 0 gets 2, and index 2 gets element 4. Again, the comparison between 4 and the next element, that is 1. The comparison between 1 and 4, that means the element 4 is greater than 1. So also there is the swapping between both elements, that is 4 goes to the second index and 1 comes at the first index. Again, there is the 4 and 5th element, and that are already sorted. So the first iteration becomes the element, that is 2 1 4 5, but the array is not sorting order. So we have to write another second iteration. So we again start the iteration by comparing from 0 index. But in the first iteration, we observe that the last element of the sorting is a maximum element from the array. That means each and every iteration gets the maximum element at the last, or second iteration gets the second most element at the second last. When we have to sort that first element, that is 2 and 1, then we compare that element with index, that is index 0 has 2 and index 1 has 1. The element 2 is greater than element 1, so the swapping is done in that process. So the array becomes 1 2 and 4 5. That is the sorted array. Also, second is the selection array. In the selection array, we firstly check the array which element is smaller or minimum in the array, and it it swap with the first element, that is of the zero index. Likewise, all the sorting is done. That's all about sorting. Thank you.